The high-K dielectric materials show great promise for next-generation information storage. They can be both stable and malleable, with great flexibility and high ductility. Resistive switching, RS, is a local phenomenon in the insulating layer, which leads to the loss of memory when the applied current exceeds a threshold voltage, and thus the cell becomes unstable. We report a local characterization of switching in high-K materials by means of conductive atomic force microscopes. We found that the status of resistance switching in high-K materials is very sensitive to external conditions, especially temperature. Hence, the characterization of resistive switching at high lateral spatial resolution is very important.
This article is titled, "A Review on Resistive Switching in High-K Dielectrics, a Nanoscale Point of View Using Conductive Atomic Force Microscope," and was authored by Mario Lanza.
We are, article.tv. Article links can be found in the video description.